You can access to your ANS portal through the ANS website. Here in the upper right corner, it says ANS portal. Here you just have to access with your login credentials. For you to be able to see your child's disposition, you just have to click on More. Here, if you go to Classroom and select the class and click on Performance, you will be able to see your child's dispositions. And here you can change the class. If you would like to see their performance in their formatives and summatives, you just have to click on View Skills and Standards. And when you go where it says In-Locker, here you will be able to find the progress reports, the report cards, and the map test results. Here you just need to download the document that you need and you will be able to see it.